Stop scrolling. If belly fat has been frustrating you, this video is your game changer. No jumping, no pain, no equipment, and anyone can start. Hook. If you're bigger, if your clothes don't fit the same, or if your energy feels low. More sense. I'll show you something that actually works. Art. Thousands of people lose belly fat with this exact routine without running, without jumping, and without the gym. This could be the workout that finally gets you results. Welcome to your low-impact belly fat and core strength workout. You have knee or back pain, or if you simply want an easy but effective, we're going to move slowly, safely, and smartly, but still burn calories and tighten your waist. You don't need anything, just your body and a little commitment. Let's warm up and get your core activated. Let's begin. Fire, warm up, 2 minutes, seconds each. 1, march in place. Lift your knees gently. Warm your body. You're doing great. Side steps and arm swings. In your chest. Keep it easy. 3, torso twists. To side. Feel your waist waking up. Deep core breathing. Inhale, exhale. Pull your belly in softly. For 15, 30 seconds. Guys, side 30 seconds. Down, squeeze the side, feel your waist tighten. Small moves create big results. 2 standing knee raises, 30 seconds. Knee, core tight. This is low impact but powerful. Lunge twist, 30 seconds. Twist from your waist. Burn calories without jumping. 4 step touch plus squeeze, 30 seconds. Step to the side. Squeeze your core with every movement. 5 elbow to knee crunch, 30 seconds. Feel the middle belly working. 6 step back, reach, 30 seconds. Long smooth movements. Lift, 30 seconds. Activate lower abs. 8 standing leg lifts, left, 30 seconds. Stay steady. Your core controls the movement. 9 side bends, 30 seconds. Is the waist, shape your sides. Day 10 march and twist, 30 seconds. March with a twist, burn more without impact. 1 forward reach crunch, 30 seconds. Reach forward, crunch back. Beautiful for mid-belly. Beautiful for mid-belly. 2 tap plus pull, 30 seconds. Foot out, pull your hands in tight. Imagine your belly getting stronger. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. And slow is her and better. 1-4 hip circles, 30 seconds. Gentle circles. Loosen the lower belly. 1-5 full core wave, 30 seconds. Wave upper body, massage and activate your core. Mid-workout motivation, say between exercises. Don't quit. You're already doing better than most. Your energy is rising. Keep moving. Every minute you stay here is a win. You're not just losing. In confidence. Strong body, strong mind. Keep going. 2 minutes. Deep breaths. Exhale. Let your core relax. 2 side stretch. 30 seconds. Your weight. Lengthen your belly area. 3 forward fold. 30 seconds. Release tension from your back and core. 4 slow torso twists. 30 seconds. Bring your heart rate down smoothly. End it. Strong. You finished this workout, which means you took 1 step toward a stronger, healthier you. Most people quit, but you didn't. If you want a 15, 20, or even 30-minute advanced version, comment more and I'll make it for you. Thank you for moving with me today. See you in the next workout.